think I can record more. I have put in the camera right now with the dock, because the dock itself is a battery, so it is charging right now while recording, I guess.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn left onto St. Patrick Road. Destination on your left.
Yeah, I'm able to record because the camera right now, it is charging from the dock itself. Camera has a battery. You put it on the camera, and that dock, which is a screen, you control the camera from that screen, and it works as a battery. It's very nice, it's very nice camera, but it is not for long recording.
Arrive at the destination on your left.
Alright, it is here. It's a very nice small house. And the people are home. And let's see. They have two parcels, one poly bag and one is envelope, which is envelope 57. 57, 57, 57, 57, 57, 57, 57. It's not here. See the camera how it is. 57, 57, 21. That's the 21. Let's find the 57. Here it is. I don't know if you see me, but if you see me, I don't care.
Navigation started. Continue north on St. Patrick Road, then in 100 feet make a U-turn on St. Patrick Road. In half a mile arrive at the destination on your left.
Now the car is in natural. I don't press on any gas, so it drives, actually it rolls down the road. Opa. That's good. You're saving. I'm saving fuel now. But you need to be careful from these humps.
Arrive at the destination on your left.
Oh my god, it's on the left. It's on the left. Where do I have to park? Where do I have to park? I have to park here. Envelope 88. I have to leave my car like this because the people are down there. And see, it says that I am very far away. I am very far away from delivery zone. That's the problem when you live in houses like this. This is house number 50, no, number 17. Is 17, that's 19. Let's see, where is 17? Yep, it is this house. See, where did I put the camera?